Happy Friday, everyone. I hope you all had an amazing week trading. A little difficult week, but nonetheless, we made some money, had some very good trades inside Team Bull. These short weeks tend to be a little more difficult to trade, but it worked out well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to trade a cup and handle pattern. Um, I'm going to kind of walk you through my thought process if I took this trade, some other things to look for. But as always, before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go do that. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Live trading is coming back soon. I've been working on a better setup for that, so that's something to look forward to. But let's get right into this, all right? First off, I want to point out this is on the 5-minute time frame. I prefer these on a higher time frame for a bigger move, or the higher the time frame, the more significant the pattern is, the more you can expect a bigger move in a lot of cases if they follow through and if volume confirms. Now let's look at this. You can see the cup and handle here, right? You got the cup, then you have the handle. Now you're wondering, where would be my entry point on this trade? For me, what I like to do, if I see this forming, I like to draw out the trend on the handle there, and I like to take it as soon as it breaks out of this. The top of the cup can be your first price target, then the high of day can be your next. And it didn't quite get there until later in the day. Well, actually, right at close it got there, but for those of you that trade options, you know from 92.8 up to nearly 94, that's a good options trade. The contracts would have moved nicely. They're not horribly expensive on Roku because I did take a trade. I took this scalp off the open. For those of you who was in Team Bull, you caught this with me. Really nice trade. Contracts move really nice. I want to point out a couple other things that I noticed during these cup and handle patterns. First off, if you look closely here, it's basically just a bull flag, right? That's all the handle is a nice little bull flag. Let me duplicate this, place it at the bottom of the trend. Okay, now we have our final price target on that bull flag. That would have worked out nicely. It hit that perfectly. As you can see there, that 5-minute candle come up and touch. That would have been your final price target on that bull flag trade. This is just some things to keep in mind. Now, a bull flag, an early entry, for those of you that have watched my bull flag video on how to trade bull flags, you all know I would have possibly got in this bull flag right here off this 9 EMA, and I would have caught from 92.1 all the way up to 94, adding on to my profits, right? Now, I'm going to answer this question, a question I get a lot in my DMs. How do I know when to exit these type of trades? And I'm going to go over both of these. If I got in this trade right here and it fell, I would be watching for it to get below this 9 EMA for me to exit out for a very small loss. I'm not going to lose much, and I'm not going to give back much of my profit. I will give it a little room. That 9 EMA, typically when it fails that, from my experience on these type of patterns, if it fails that, it's safe to say you need to get out. You don't want to hang on for hope. Now, if I got in here off this bull flag, same thing. If I had a nice 1 to 2 1-minute candles open below this, I would simply get out again for a small loss. That's the key here. Keep your losses smaller than your winners. If I went into this trade with a mind, say I had, for easy math, let's say I had a $10,000 position. I mean, that's a big position, yes, for a lot of people, but I'm just for easy math. If I went into this trade with the mindset I'm going to make $1,000, that's 10% profit off $10,000 position, right? That's doable with options. So I'm not going to be willing to lose 1,000. I'm going to be looking more around that $300 to $500 stop loss. I want to keep my I want to keep my losers small. That way, I can literally lose 50% of my trades and still be a profitable trader. I know I've said that many times, but I'm just trying to get it to sink in for those of you that are new to my channel. I don't want to lose 50% of my trades, and I don't lose 50% of my trades. I'm just saying, I want to keep my trading very disciplined. So that basically covers everything I wanted to go through in this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me. If you're looking to learn how to trade, we started the July mentorship. I got a post on my Instagram that has all the details, has the schedule. It is taught live and recorded, but we still have some spots available for that. If you're interested, you can join through the link in my bio. If you can message me, or if you're just ready to join, just go straight to my link in bio. Join. You'll get a confirmation email. You'll join the class there. But yeah, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.